In this video, I will demo how I use Optimal Access to optimize my workspace. I have organized my work into the following areas: creating content, analytics, discovery, sales. Let's see how the organization helps me with my work. I create content on my website and social sites. Under my website, I have access to the web. I have a tab for my dashboard. I have another tab for my forum. I have a tab for my Dropbox where I want to share content with my co-workers, and then to my video sites over here. Under my social sites, I have access to all of my different social accounts, like you see here. Let's say I want to create a new content for my Tumblr site, and the content that I want to create is a video. So the video I have on my YouTube, so I switch over back to my Optimal Access group, to my YouTube video site, and then grab the URL from here, switch over to my social site, and paste the URL. Next, I want to add some content and a link to my site. So I just added some content to the video. Now I want to track the clicks from here, so I switch over to my Bitly tab, and I have created a URL for shares through Tumblr. So I copy that, I go back over to my Tumblr, and I will enter that link, and now I'm done with this. So in this way I can use my organization to quickly post content and get to the resources I need to accomplish my tasks quickly. As you can see, many of the tasks require the same website, so by organizing them the way I work, I've made myself more efficient. Next, let's take a look at the sales groups. Here I have a group for my sales and PR links. First, I have my CRM application over here. Next to it, I have a service I use called Market Hub for finding and tweeting articles regarding my content. Next to it, I have my PR dashboard. And then I also have a curation folder here where I store links that help me with my sales efforts, but I don't have to access all the time. So for example, here I have an article that I curated regarding the number of internet users in the world. So again, I have a lot of different links that are interesting to me and I can use for my sales efforts, but I don't have to access all the time, and I can list them in a curation folder like this. In another tab, I have all of my different analytics on Firefox distribution, my Google Analytics, analytics for Add This. So I've grouped everything to do with my analytics on one dashboard over here. Next, I have another group for my influencer marketing. So I am active on the product hunt, and I have a link to all the influencers on product hunt so that I can very quickly access, and if I want to contact any one of them and send them a message, it's very easy for me to do this from this page, as you can see over here. I also read a lot of different trade magazines. So I can organize access to the actual websites, as you can see over here. But I can also subscribe to different tech magazines and quickly go over the latest published articles and see if there are any interesting articles that I want to respond to, curate, or learn from. So as you can see, I have approximately about 100 different tabs on this page. I can also switch to a new portal. For example, I have one created for news to follow general news, what's going on in the world. I also want to show you this one cool feature. At any time, we have a command that hides all the tabs and switches us back to a normal Firefox window, just in case you want to save some real estate and do some quick browsing. You can learn more about creating these groups and all the different features with RSS and curation folders from our forum.